When you have a child that has disabilities, I mean, you have to be honest. You think, oh my goodness, life is going to be so hard for her. You know, and how in the world can we overcome all these obstacles that lay in her path? She's a sweet, sweet, sweet girl. She's got more compassion and love in her than any person I know. Sometimes it is hard to see the abilities. It can be hard, even as a parent, it can be hard to admit. One thing that we found that was really important to Kelsey, and of course it was to us, was that she be able to read. She's always loved books from the time she was able to hold anything. It bring a tear to my eye, you know, because it's such a huge difference. Not only just the entertainment value of reading, but just functional life skills that it brings. To have, you know, Full Life Ahead to come in and confirm that as, you know, a truth, and that she does have that potential, and to give her the opportunities, and to see it come from a professional, a caring professional, and they'd be there to advocate for us, it made all the difference in the world.
They've been told all of their life, their parents have been told all of their life, probably by some of their trusted friends and even family members, that they can't do this and they can't do that, and you need to watch out for this and you need to watch out for that. The fact is that an individual with a disability has got the whole world in front of them.
One thing that Full Life Ahead also helped do is to see that she was included in a general ed classroom. And the teachers have always said that she's had such an impact on the classroom. They're more considerate of each other, they're considerate of Kelsey, they're more well behaved.
Math, science, band.
And she tries so hard at everything she does. She gives it 128%, maybe 199%. We went to dinner last night, and there was a time that Kelsey would not be able to look at a menu and tell you what she wanted. Well, she sits there and she looks at the menu and she wants steak with French fries and she wants a Coke. And that might seem simple, but for her it's huge. To think that she can communicate her wants and her needs is big, and have the confidence in herself to do so is huge. It just changes your life. It makes her more independent. Would you be happy if you couldn't read?
No. Sad. There's someone at the door, Martha.
She's a great little reader.